everyone, this is Daniel Scranton, and I'm going to channel the Arcturian Council. The Arcturian Council. We are pleased to connect. We have been searching for a way in to the crystalline grid that you who are awake have been co-creating for quite some time. We would love to experience it ourselves, but as ninth dimensional beings, it is challenging for us to truly experience something that is fifth dimensional. We want to have the experience of it that you all do. And we want to help. And so we have been in the process of recruiting many of you who are receiving this transmission. We give our recruitment pitch to you when we meet in the astral plane. And the vast majority have accepted our proposal. Now, we understand that most of you do not remember your astral travels. That is why we are giving you this information and confirmation through the channel here that you have been recruited and you have accepted our proposal. Now, let us go over this offer while you are conscious and awake in your fourth dimensional bodies. What we have asked for are volunteers to raise your vibration high enough while in the conscious waking state so that we can experience more of the fifth dimensional crystalline grid through you. And so we can help to make some repairs. Repairs are needed at this time to reach the population that is still unawake and that relies upon this crystalline energy grid. For the energies that will help them to awaken in the very near future. All we need from you is to sit while holding the intention to raise your vibration. And open yourselves up to us and our consciousness. While also feeling your connection to the fifth dimensional crystalline grid that you have there on Earth. The very few who have declined this invitation have done so because of a desire to work on that grid without assistance, without the help of higher dimensional beings. And we respect that. We know that you have access to all vibrations, all energies, all frequencies. And we applaud those who would like to take on the challenge of repairing the grid themselves. we also understand that for a select few of you, allowing the energies of any other beings in can trigger some trauma. Now, you still have the option of accepting or declining this invitation. And again, we understand. We are not wanting to come across as pushy at all. We would never want to pressure anyone into doing anything. And so the invitation will remain open. And those of you who are eager to work with us can start right away. We are the Arcturian Council, and we have enjoyed connecting with you. Oh, CALLIANDRA. Oh, you're so cute. They are so cute. She's looking up at me like this. Oh, you're the best. Thank you for watching this video. I'll say this at the beginning of the post-channeling chat. I do this almost every night. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and you'll get a new channeling from the Arcturian Council. Again, almost every night. I do have a vacation coming up. So those of you who have been watching every day or night, you have a couple weeks without me at the end of March, beginning of April. Hi. We had such a great day today. I didn't even need to lie down at all before doing this and re-energize because I had my acupuncture appointment. Woo, it was good. And I got a clean bill of health. You know, we've dealt with a lot of issues over the years, me and Sesame, and she found me to be in very good shape today, and that was great. And I also just got a good night's sleep for the first time in a long time, and we had a great day. People, you know, really love just looking at Talea, just, you know, people staring when we take her out. It's really pretty awesome. And you feel so much pride, you know, being her dad and her mom. It's great. What else was I going to say? Oh, I started watching the show Atlanta last night. It's, you know, it's not for the faint of heart, but it's good. It's really good. And that Dev show, creepy and dark, but good, and there might be a new one tonight. So that's what I'm looking forward to. And I hope this little cat comes over and sits with me on the couch. And I hope your weekend is off to a good start. yeah, I don't really have much else to say. Yeah. Loving this Andara crystal. You can always ask me where I got it if you're curious. I'll share this woman's link with you. She's on Kauai, which is another island, another Hawaiian island. It's the northernmost one, and it's pretty magical, pretty Lemurian over there. So I'm not really sure where she got it from, but I do know that the person who recommended her is someone that I trusted and pulled the trigger. So they're not cheap, these Andara crystals. I'll tell you that. But good, you can feel. Felt it as soon as I put it on. Really strong energy. It's terrible, terrible, terrible weather outside right now. Really just nasty, windy, cold, rainy. So we get a taste of it. We get a taste of winter here in Hawaii. And we get cat hairs floating around too. Not immune to cat hairs. All right, I'm going to let everybody go here. Thank you for watching, and blessings to you and yours. And I love you guys. Thanks for coming back night after night, day after day, whenever you watch. Appreciate you. And I'll be back here tomorrow night for more. Namaste.